Hey, I'm Swathi from Codecraft. Welcome to Python, Zero to Expert. This is the series that takes you from, honestly, a little nervous, all the way to fluent, one idea at a time. No jargon, no gatekeeping, just you and me. Okay, Module 1. Picture this. You just cloned a Python project, you open it up, and yeah, nothing makes sense, right? Which file do we even run? And what is this virtual environment thing everyone keeps typing? I've been there. But by the end of this, none of it scares you. Promise. So here's the plan. Just 3 things. You'll run Python 3 different ways. You'll finally get why every project needs a virtual environment. And you'll learn to open any project and just read it, like a map. Ready? Let's go. First, the big idea. And honestly, it's simpler than you think. Python is just a program. You hand it a file, your instructions, and it reads that file, top to bottom, line by line, and shows you the results. That's the whole thing. Running Python just means asking Python to read your file. So, 3 ways to run it. First one, the interactive shell. You type Python, hit enter, and boom, a live prompt. Every line runs the second you press enter. Perfect for just poking around.
Oh, quick one from me, Liam. See those 3 little arrows? That's Python going, yeah, I'm listening. Type something.
And the second way, the one real projects actually use, you just point Python at a file. Python, then the file name. It runs the whole thing, start to finish. Done. Now, the one setup step everybody skips, and then regrets. Every project should get its own little private space for its packages. It's called a virtual environment.
Yeah, and listen. This is the #1 thing that wrecks a beginner's setup. Do not dump packages straight into your system Python. 2 projects sharing one Python, they will fight. Trust me on this.
So the habit's simple. Make the environment. Switch it on, then install. 3 little commands, and you're safe. Okay, last thing. Reading a project. And here's the little secret. Almost every Python project has the exact same shape. There's a PyProject file. That's your config and your dependencies. A source folder with the real package inside. That dunder init file? It's just saying, hey, this is a package, then your actual code. And a test folder. Learn this shape once, and you never feel lost again. Hi, I'm Sarah. Let's try a real one. And look, don't read every file. You really don't need to. Just find the shape. There's the config. There's the package. There's the file you'd actually run. And the tests. Same map. Every single time. See? Nothing here can scare you now. And that's Module 1. You can run any Python file. You get why virtual environments exist. And a project layout? It's just a map you can read now. Next time, values and variables. That's where it gets fun. I'm Swathi. This is Codecraft. See you there.